Welcome back to Sandy's lifestyle and cooking videos. I'm Sandy, and today I'm preparing some peanut soup. Yes, some peanut soup. So at this time, I'll just wash the peanuts and put them to boil. I'm using approximately 3 cups of peanut. I'll be giving it a little rinse, and then so now after washing the peanuts, I'm placing them into some cold water so that it boils until tender. So I'm doing the preparations for the vegetables, onions, garlic, I'm gonna add this to the pot and allow it to boil. So peeling the carrots for the soup. If you cannot peel thinly, then you should use a vegetable peeler. With a sharp knife, you can get to peel the vegetables thinly. So this is cocoa. Peel the cocoa, and then I'll dice. Dice the cocoa. Have some corn. Using the crinkle cutter to cut the carrots. I'm using butternut squash. This would give a little sweetness to the pot. And butternut squash will make a very nice salad. Maybe I will do a video on that. Just making use of the crinkle cutter since it's available. And the pot is boiling away. Okay. And my stove is a rim, one of those car rims, and Jeff made this the brace for the pot, or the grill for the pot, so that the pot is elevated from the flames. And so I'm just allowing this to cook for another 20 minutes before adding the vegetables. I have some coconut milk, which I grated and steeped in boiling water to get out as much of the milk as possible. So at this time, I'm going to squeeze out all the juice that I can get from this coconut. Rich coconut milk. In the yam. And this is yellow yam. Okay, so here I'm adding yellow yam and cocoa, and corn and butternut squash have been boiling already, and the only thing left will be the dumplings. I'll be making the dumplings now. Well, with all the food in except the dumplings and the coconut milk, give the pot a stir and then allow it to boil until most of the vegetables are tender. So here's the coconut milk. It's ready to pour in the pot. I have my vegetables, which the herbs which I have rinsed and I'll be cutting to put into the pot. And to top it all off, I have some moringa leaves, and this will be placed in the soup at the last minute so that we'll get all the nutrients out of it. Okay. So I'm almost ready to pour in the coconut milk. And this is what the soup is looking like so far. Smells so rich. I can't wait for this to be finished. Okay, so I'm adding the coconut milk. Yes, and allow this to boil. Okay. Okay. So I'm taking a few leaves off the pimiento. I broke this off our pimiento tree. Okay, so I'm using a few more leaves from the pimiento plant, crush it, and I'm going to be adding it with the ginger, green onions, thyme, and some Chinese thyme. So I'm going to be adding these to the pot. So it's nice to taste the Scotch bonnet pepper in the pot. So this is some cilantro. Oh yes, it smells so good. Look at this goodness. Thick, creamy, yummy. And into the hot tub for all these herbs, and allow this to cook for another 7 to 10 minutes. Awesome goodness. Okay, thick and rich. Now for the big reveal, moringa leaves are added to the soup and allow it to simmer. So look at this awesome goodness. This sumptuous soup, peanut soup, is garnished with escallion and complemented with avocado slices on the side. It smells so good, and it's now time for us to have our lovely, smooth, thick, and rich peanut soup, which is 100% plant-based. It is ital, didn't put any salt in the pot, and it is so flavorful, full of flavor. Much. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Until next time, stay safe.
Well, I'm sitting at the table
Mm.
and ready
Yes.
to dive into this peanut soup. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Amen.
It reached places already, huh?
Oh, please.
Calm down.
It's nice.
Thank you for watching.
Bye. It's so good. Mhm. So good. Super.
Yes, ma'am.
Mm.
Tastes real good.
Yes. I hope you'll try this recipe. Mm.